Do you want to grow your YouTube channel in 2023? Well, maybe you should try a 30-day short challenge. Over the last few months, I've been noticing some pretty steady growth with my YouTube channel, but it's been kind of linear. Whereas in the end of last year, it was more parabolic. So I'm trying to return to that. So that's why in the month of April, I'm challenging myself to post one YouTube short each day, which comes out to 30 shorts. Now I'm gonna go over my process and maybe this will help you guys out. So maybe we can tackle this challenge together. In the description of your videos, if you're gonna do this challenge with me, use the hashtag 30shorts. And that way we can follow each other along with this challenge and track each other's growth. Be kind of fun. First, as for any challenge, you have to outline your goals. Now here are my goals, and they certainly might not be the same for you. Goal number 1, starting with April 1st, I want to post one YouTube short each day in April. I'm really interested to monitor the growth and see how worth it is to do something like this. With all the new analytics coming in, I'm going to try and figure out what trends works for me and try and replicate those trends in future months. So I'm going to use this month as kind of like a learning process to figure out what makes me tick on YouTube. And overall, the main goal for this challenge is to help kickstart my growth in 2023. And once you properly have identified your goals, go right into step 1, which I like to call, what the heck am I gonna make 30 shorts about? First things first, let's create some titles. Creating titles will not only give you the title for your video, but it's gonna identify the topic of your video and you can build upon them. Now, since this is a 30-day challenge, our goal is obviously to create 30 titles, but my advice to you is create a little bit more than that, maybe go up to 40. That way, if a topic or a title isn't working for you when you're trying to create the video, you can scrap it and go to something else. Now, we're gonna have to do some research, obviously. For whatever your channel's about, do a quick Google search to see what's trending currently. Maybe you're a chef and spring's right around the corner. Maybe find some new spring-based recipes. Stuff like that. Keep it relevant to today's time. Now, once you have some basic research done, we're gonna start writing down titles. Now, you can do this a traditional way with some pen and paper, going one by one, figuring out titles, writing it down. But on the complete opposite side of the spectrum, maybe we can use something like AI. ChatGPT is all the rage, and I've been using it to increase my productivity. So let's ask ChatGPT for some help on creating video ideas for our channel. Now, the one thing you have to learn if you're using AI is called prompting. Basically, that means knowing how to ask the question to ChatGPT to get your best results. So the prompt I use is, please create 30 YouTube short ideas that have to be topics that I can address in a video that lasts no longer than 60 seconds regarding photography. We're gonna press enter, and as you can see, it starts generating a bunch of ideas. vidIQ is another great tool you can use. It's a plugin that does cost some money, but basically it will dive into your account, recognize what your channel is about, and compare it to trending topics to give you video suggestions that have a high probability of doing well. If you want to check out vidIQ more, I'll leave a referral link down in my description and try it out for a month or two. It really helped me kickstart this channel. All right, on to step number 2. Yeah, unfortunately, we have to do some scripting. Now, personally, scripting for me is basically just creating bullet points of the topics that I want to address in the video. But for you, it might be writing out the entire script. But when creating 30 shorts, I definitely recommend at least doing one or the other, because you're going to be filming different video ideas back to back, and you don't want to get your mind confused on what you're talking about in a given video. So having a baseline before you start filming is going to be so beneficial for you. Now let's jump right back into ChatGPT here, and I'm gonna show you how you can use prompting to help generate a script idea for a video. Now, yeah, you're gonna have to read through it and change to make it your own, but at least it's gonna give you a baseline and help you out, especially if you have writer's block. So here's the script I use. Obviously, replace the topic with the topic relevant to your channel. I need a YouTube short script that fits the following parameters. The topic is when to use aperture priority mode. This script should take no longer than 40 seconds, and please start off the script with, have you ever used aperture priority mode? Let's press enter, and here's the results it produces. Again, this gives a nice baseline. Take that script, make it your own, and move on to your next video. All right, so let's move on to step number 3. It's now time to shoot. I think the best way to go about this is bulk shooting. Now, you don't have to do all 30 videos at once. I mean, that's gonna take a long time. You can. I'm probably gonna try and do a ton at a time, but at least do 5 at a time, because one of the reasons for this challenge is to get a bunch of work done at once, so you have a lot more free time the rest of the month. Nextly, after you're done shooting one topic, immediately take that file, upload it to your computer, and throw it in a file folder with the name of your video. Since you're shooting so many shorts at once, you don't want to get unorganized, and immediately ripping that out and putting it in the correct title folder is going to help keep you extremely organized through this entire process. And lastly, it's finally time to edit your shorts. Now here's the great thing about this entire process. You're gonna get all your filming done at first. Every time I film, I have to set up my office to film. I have to do some cleaning, make this table set up, do the lighting. But because I'm doing it all at once, I'm gonna save time in the future, which is great. Now I can edit at my leisure. I'll do a few here, a few there. And obviously I'm gonna try and get most of them done the first week, so I have the rest of April opened up. But really, whatever works for you is gonna be the best. Maybe you edit one a day and post one a day. Maybe you get all of your editing done in the first day. And maybe you get most of your editing done in the first week. Whatever works for you is best. Now, as soon as you're done editing, you're gonna wanna go ahead and start scheduling your posts. I'm gonna go ahead and post all my YouTube shorts at 3 p.m. each day. This is just a recommended time for East Coast viewers. It's kind of targeting people getting out of work. So that's kind of what I've been doing lately. But do some research to figure out what best time works for you. Again, going back to vidIQ, vidIQ helps you address what best time works for you. It has analytics and statistics that shows you different time slots and stuff like that. It helps give you a better idea of when to post your videos. Again, I'm really interested if you guys do this challenge with me. Again, use the hashtag 30shorts and let's track our growth. I'm gonna make a recap video sometime in May so you can see the benefits of this challenge, if it worked, if it's worth doing, if it's not worth doing. And if you wanna follow along with this challenge, please hit that subscribe button down below. Again, I'll be posting one YouTube short each day in April at 3 p.m. I'm really excited for this challenge. I think it's gonna help kickstart my channel and get me back into the swing of things of creating more frequently. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll catch you in tomorrow's YouTube short.